This video is going to show how to create a board outline from a DXF file in OrCAD PCB Designer. Creating an accurate board outline early in the design process is essential, especially with today's smaller and more complex designs. OrCAD PCB Designer can be used to easily import and create a board outline from a DXF, IDX, or IDF file. To import a DXF file, start by opening OrCAD PCB Designer. We will import the outline into a new design file. Select File, New from the menu. The new drawing window opens. Here you can name the new drawing file and set its type. Select Board for the drawing type and click Browse to open the file browser. Browse to the working directory to save the board. Enter a name for the board and click Open. We'll call ours DXF Board. Click OK in the new drawing window. The Create a New Design window opens. Here you can define the design units, sheet size, extents, and the location of the origin. Set the units to millimeter and click OK to create the board. A blank canvas opens. Let's make sure we can import the DXF into its own layer that doesn't affect the board outline. To do this, we need to create a new subclass. Select Setup, More, Subclasses from the menu. The Define Subclass window opens. Select the button for Drawing Format to create a new subclass in the Drawing Format class. Enter DXF Import for the name and press Enter. DXF Import is added to the subclass list. Close the window and click OK to save the new subclass. Now let's import the DXF. Select Import MCAD DXF from the menu. The DXF In window opens. Here you can define the DXF units and layer conversion map. Select the ellipsis for DXF file to load the file. Browse to the provided DXF file and click Open. Now we need to create a layer conversion file to properly map the DXF layers with OrCAD X layers. Select Edit View Layers to create the file. A table in the Edit View Layers window lists each DXF layer and the OrCAD layer it is paired with. Let's assign the cutout layer first. Check the option under Select for the cutout layer. To map this layer, select the required class and subclass from the drop-down menus at the bottom of the window. We'll map the cutouts to board geometry and cutout. Click Map to map the class and subclass to the layer. Now let's assign the outline layer. Uncheck the option under Select for the cutout layer and check the option for the outline layer. Select the required class and subclass from the drop-down menus, in this case, Drawing Format and the DXF Import subclass we created earlier. Click Map again to map the layers. Click OK to save the mapping settings and close the window. With the layer conversion file defined, we are ready to import the outline. Select Import to load in the file. The DXF geometry is loaded. Click Close in the DXF In window to close it. Zoom in to see the imported outline. While the cutouts are in the correct class and subclass, we need to change the subclass of the design outline itself to the PCB Designer Design Outline subclass. Since the new subclass is shown in the same color as the Design Outline subclass, let's change the new subclass color to avoid confusion. Select the Color button from the toolbar and select the Drawing Format class. The DXF Import subclass is listed in the table. Select a different color from the Available Colors table at the bottom of the window. We'll select Cyan. Click the color block for the DXF Import subclass to change the outline color. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. Now the imported geometry is shown in cyan to distinguish it from the official board outline. To create the board outline, select Shape, Create Shape from Lines from the menu. In the Options panel, select the required class and subclass from the drop-down menus. Check the options for Delete Original Lines and Filled Shape. This will create a dynamic board outline shape. Click the design outline, then right-click and select Done. The outline shape has been created in the Design Outline subclass, as shown by the color change. Now let's create Keepin and Keepout geometry with the Z-Copy feature in PCB Designer. Select Shape Z-Copy from the menu. The Z-Copy options are shown in the Options panel. Under Copy to Class subclass, select Package Keepin and All. For size, select Contract and set the offset to 0.5. This will contract the design outline to create 0.5 millimeters of spacing between the board edge and the package Keepin. Click the board outline to copy the geometry. The geometry is copied and contracted on the package Keepin layer. Next, we'll create the route Keepin geometry. Select Route Keepin and All for the Z-copy class and subclass. Click the board outline again to create Route Keepin geometry. The contraction is the same, but the Route Keepin geometry is in a different color to distinguish it from package Keepin. Z-copy can also be used to create Keepout geometry. We'll start with package Keepouts. Select Package Keepout and All for the Z-copy class and subclass. Select Expand under Size to copy the Keepouts to outside the cutouts. Click each of the cutouts to create the Keepout geometry. The Keepout geometry prevents the cutouts from being selected again, so for the wrap Keepouts, we'll set the offset to 0 to copy the package Keepouts rather than the cutouts. Route Keepouts are created in a different color. All Keepouts and Keepins have been defined. Right-click and select Done. Lastly, let's verify that the geometry was imported correctly in 3D. Select Display 3D Canvas from the menu. The 3D Canvas filter window opens. Leave the default settings and click OK. The outline is shown in the 3D canvas. The outline was imported successfully with the cutouts in the correct places. Quickly create a board outline from a DXF file to accurately define the size, shape, and features of the PCB with OrCAD PCB Designer. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.